For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. Hi, are you searching for Chilliz cost expectations conjectures for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of Chilliz, CHZ, will go from here on out? We will examine the previous costs of Chilliz, CHZ, and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. To the extent that a Chilliz, CHZ, coin cost assumption, on 2 March, a computation in light of measuring organization Wallet Investor gave a positive figure. Considering evident data, Wallet Investor sees the expense going up to 44 cents in a year's time, coming to $1.49 in 5 years. Electronic Coin Price maintained that call, offering a positive CHZ crypto figure. It guessed that the token ought to top at 28 cents in 2022 and subsequently saw CHZ creating to 44 cents by 2025 and over the long haul, hitting 93 cents in 2030. It's memorable's fundamental that computerized currency markets remain truly unsound, making it trying to exactly guess what a coin's expense will be in 2 or 3 hours and, shockingly, harder to give long stretch measures. Hence, examiners and computation-based forecasters can and do altogether misread their assumptions. We recommend that you by and large do your own assessment and consider the latest market designs, news, specific and critical examination, and very capable appraisal preceding making any endeavored decision. Also, never contribute past what you can tolerate losing. Chilliz Price Prediction 2022. According to the latest data collected, the ongoing expense of Chilliz is 19 cents, and CHZ is at present situated number in the entire crypto climate. The stream supply of Chilliz is 5,982,692,790 with a market cap of $1,164,711,340. In the past 24 hours, the crypto has been decreased by 3.02% in its current worth. Expecting we examine the ongoing business sector cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is also down. Chilliz is standing up to a troublesome time hopping on board with other crypto coins. The CHZ is down to almost 3.32% over the latest 7 days. The coin is at this point showing taking a risk with framing segments for ongoing days. The coin could have strong fundamentals simultaneously. We don't completely accept that it would a useful asset right now. Regardless, subsequent to differentiating the ongoing expense and late days cost history, it is seen that Chilliz has extended 4.767% in its worth. The typical smallest expense for the month is 16 cents, while the best ordinary expense was 19 cents. This gathers that this coin is a sensible asset and one more development to your plan of coins for the long stretch. The 90 days cost change is close 61.33% and the expense moved from a base typical expense of 47 cents to most noteworthy ordinary expense of 53 cents in the past 90 days. Chilliz is someplace close 55.56% with the most outrageous ordinary expense of the coin was around 37 cents and the base typical expense of was around 33 cents in past 4 months. Chilliz, CHZ, price forecast August 2022. For August the expense of Chilliz is expected to show up at a typical month-to-month farthest reaches of 24 cents, while the coin will trade between a constraint of 26 cents and something like 23 cents. CHZ price forecast September 2022. In September 2022 the expense of not entirely set in stone to be at around a base worth of 24 cents. The Chilliz esteem worth can show up at a constraint of 27 cents, with a typical trading worth of 25 cents, in United States dollars CHZ price forecast October 2022. In October 2022, the expense of Chilliz is assessed to be at around a base worth of 24 cents. The Chilliz esteem worth can show up at a restriction of 28 cents, with a typical trading worth of 25 cents in United States dollars. Chilliz, CHZ, price forecast November 20. We expect future Chilliz cost assumption CHZ figures by applying significant man-made awareness, help specific analysis on the past worth data of Chilliz. We give a bold work to accumulate the most outrageous legitimate data for the CHZ coin, which integrates various limits like past worth, Chilliz market cap, Chilliz volume, and barely any longer. If you are wanting to place assets into modernized advanced monetary standards and need extraordinary benefit from your theories, attempt to scrutinize our assumptions. Chilliz price prediction 2022. As demonstrated by our significant specific examination on past worth data of CHZ, in 2022, the expense of Chilliz is expected to arrive at anyway of 26 cents. The CHZ cost can show up at the best level of 31 cents, with the ordinary trading cost of 27 cents. Chilliz price prediction 2023. The expense of Chilliz is expected to arrive at in any event of 38 cents in 2023. The Chilliz cost can show up at the best level of 46 cents, with a typical expense of 39 cents, all through 2023. CHZ price forecast for 2024 to 2025. As per the figure cost and concentrated assessment, in 2024, the expense of Chilliz is expected to arrive at essentially a level of 55 cents. The CHZ cost can show up at the best level of 65 cents, with the ordinary trading cost of 56 cents. The expense of 1 Chilliz is depended upon to arrive at anyway of 79 cents in 2025. The CHZ cost can show up at the best level of 95 cents, with the ordinary expense of 82 cents, all through 2025. Chilliz price prediction 2026. Chilliz cost is figured to show up at the most negligible possible level of $1.15 in 2026. As indicated by our disclosures, the CHZ cost could show up at the most outrageous possible level of $1.41, with a typical assessed cost of $1.19. Chilliz price prediction 2027. According to our significant specific examination on past worth data of CHZ, in 2027, the expense of Chilliz is gauged to be at around a base worth of $1.66. The Chilliz esteem worth can show up at a restriction of $2.01, with a typical trading worth of $1.70.